Assalamualaikum friends, subscribe my telegram channel Sheri SK official. I will provide every notification of video or any update here. Here is total 409 subscriber and today I have professional sales banner PSD. These files are Photoshop CS Plus and CC Plus user. Here is 152 files. All files are editable. Okay, so you see here we provide grew up session sale. For example, I drag the file in Photoshop. You see here all layers in folder. Here is border, main text, subtext, user, promo code, offer, button, free shipping, and last is image and background. You can change background color. Click here, you see, and next is image. We need image like this. Drag here, you see our images here are double click here, open your image. Okay, now same thing is here, just import your photo and write anything. Here is shape, you can change shape color. Wow, red. And here is image. Fashion sale, okay, and shape your body. Big sale, summer sale. Import your own photo, write any text, change color, change everything. I hope these files are useful for you. Kindly subscribe my telegram channel Sheri SK official. Take care, Allah Hafiz.